In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the MTD VAT feature. When you first click on the MTD VAT feature, the Rhino app will ask you for details of your accounting period so it can connect the app to HMRC. This is very simple and requires just a few steps to be followed. To provide your financial year details, use your current VAT period end date to determine what financial year dates you need. Once you've entered the date, click Save. The app will now begin to connect to your HMRC account using your VAT registration number. If you haven't yet entered your VAT registration number, the app will automatically take you to the System Defaults page where you can enter your VAT registration number and also the VAT scheme which applies to your business. Once your VAT registration number is in the system, click on Connect. After successfully connecting to your HMRC account, HMRC will now ask you to grant authority to the app to access your VAT account so it can submit your VAT returns. Please click on Continue and enter the additional information requested by HMRC. The app will now continue to retrieve your VAT account details. In this example, we've made previous submissions already, which are displayed under the Submission section. Also, if any money is owed to HMRC, you will see these detailed under the Payment section. To submit your return, click on the Calculate for the VAT period you wish to submit. When completing your VAT return, you can use either the bridging feature, which allows you to populate your VAT return using your own spreadsheet, or allow the app to automatically populate the VAT boxes using the app invoice and expense features. Thank you for watching the video.